After extensive use of operating over the years, your heater dial plate and knobs have likely shown a lot of wear. Chipped or worn down chrome knobs no longer look good. The dial plate can be faded, cloudy, or even cracked. If you're restoring your G-body, this can add a fresh look to your interior. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1978 to 82 G-body heater dial plate kit with air conditioning. Available in a convenient complete set, every kit includes the dial plate, 3 chrome knobs, and the black background. All parts are manufactured from injection molded plastic, just like the originals. Dial plates feature the black background and all the correctly sized fonts were applicable. Colors follow the same GM factory specifications for authenticity. The knobs are finished in chrome plating and are designed for a perfect fitment to your existing actuating levers for a straightforward installation. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.